So now I have create video presentation. It's all about single platform for AR and VR, and I would like to demo AR VR platform. So first I have an example. The name is the architecture of reality, defining the fundamental mechanics. So AR and VR. AR superposes computer-generated image onto a user's view of the real world to provide a composite interactive experience. so, so the architecture, core characteristic, digital overlay, transparency, conceptual interaction. So, and then, and this, and this slide, the mechanics of AR. So, computer vision, the system identifies object and surface into the video feed using advanced algorithms. So, in Islam, simulatedness, location, and mapping, constantly tracking the user position relative to the environment for stable overlays. Light estimation, adjusting the digital shadows and brightness to match the real-world lighting condition. And display technology, using waveguides or reflective optics to project light directly into the eye. And for virtual reality, so virtual reality, complete immersion is scientist environment. Example is VR use computer technology to create a 360-degree simulated environment that completely replace the real world. And defining virtual reality. VR is used computer technology create, and this is the say ito yung sinabi ko nga po. Then dito naman po sa the three pillar of VR. Immersion, the technical achievement of blocking out real world stimuli to focus exclusively on the digital input. Interaction, presence, interaction, the ability manipulate the virtual environment using controllers, haptics, and hand tracking. And for the presence, the psychological state of being there, achieved when the system latency and fidelity match human perception. And for comparative analysis, we have a feature augmented reality, in short AR, and virtual reality, in short VR. First, a feature is environment user awareness core goal hardware, and the environment real world with digital add-ons, and the user awareness, full awareness of surroundings, and core goal enhance reality with data, and hardware, smartphone glass, in short HoloLens. Virtual reality, we have an entirely artificial simulated, occulted, isolated from surroundings, escape reality for immersion, headset, guess, vibe index. Evolutionary milestone, we have a 1968 and the name of Evan Sutherland, Sword of Damocles, the first AR/VR HMD. In 1990, Virtual Boys and Arcade VR experimental failed to gain mass transaction. 2016, Pokemon Go, Oculus Rift launch, bringing AR/VR to the public. Spatial computing air present Spatial computing era begins with standalone headset and AI XR. We have a market growth forecast. We have a 2020, 2022, 2024, 2026, and 2028, etc. So this industry adoption, entertainment, high impact gaming, cinema, healthcare, surgical training, diagnosis, manufacturing, assembly, and digital twins, retail, virtual try-on layouts, and question. Then image resources. We have this reference in the image. And that's all. Thank you.